Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your ninth standard, the chapter number 2 is polynomials there. Dear students, you learned about in your previous class algebraic equations. First of all, you will learn about only algebraic equations. What are the algebraic equations? For example, therefore, 2x plus 1. This is also one algebraic equations, and also only 3x is also algebraic equations. The next one is also here 3x plus 7x plus 1 is this is also one algebraic equations, and also therefore 3y plus 4x plus 1. This is also one algebraic equations in your previous class. Therefore, you can study about algebraic equations. The algebraic equations are comparing to in your polynomial. First of all, you can study about in the algebraic equations. You can compare between what are the things are here, what are the values are here. Therefore, this one is algebraic equations, and also the all algebraic equations are polynomials. You study about in your ninth standard. Chapter name is polynomials. In your previous class 6th, 7th, 8th, you learn about only algebraic equations. The all algebraic equations are polynomials. For example, 3x is one algebraic equation. This is also one polynomial. 2x plus 1 is this is the one algebraic equation. This is also one polynomial. First of all, you can study about what is the meaning of polynomial. The meaning of polynomial is therefore, first of all, comparing 2x plus 1 is the algebraic equations. In the algebraic equations, what are the things are here? For example, what is the meaning of 1? What is the meaning of 2? What is the meaning of x? Therefore, these three things is most important in your algebraic equations. Therefore, one is only that is single number that is constant. Constant is that is constant is the x is what? X is variable. X is variable. The next 2 is what? 2 is coefficient of x. 2 is the coefficient of x is the next 1 is constant, x is variable. Okay, in the algebraic equations there are these three are more content is there. For example, constant also here, variable also here, coefficient also here. Next is the second one, 3x is the only one algebraic equations. In this one, constant value is 0 is there. Constant is 0. For example, 3x plus 0 is equal to 3x. No, same as it is, no problem. Therefore, in this algebraic equations, therefore, constant is 0, but coefficient of x is 3 is there. Our variable is x is there. But it's in every algebraic equations have variables, coefficients, and also constant terms are here. Okay, in your polynomial, the so many types of polynomials are here. For example, therefore, only 3x, or only x, or y, or z, and etc. The variable is, you can choose any one variable. I can consider x variable, or y variable, or otherwise z variable. You can consider any variable. Therefore, these all are algebraic equations. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 are algebraic equations, and also these are polynomials. Therefore, in the algebraic equations, how many terms are here? Each, for example, only single term is there. Only one term is there. These two are monomial. These two are monomial. Only monomial have only one term is called monomial. Algebraic expressions have only one term is called monomial. Got it? Monomial definition. The next one is what? This one one is two terms are here. Two terms. 2x is one term. 1 is one term. Therefore, second one is 2x plus 1. One term is the one algebraic expression. The next 2y plus 8. Second one. The next 2x minus 7 is the. These two are algebraic expression, and also these two name is binomial. These two are binomial is the binomials. The definition of binomial means the algebraic expressions have how many terms are here? Two terms. Algebraic expressions have two terms is called binomial. Is called binomial. The third one is what? The three terms are here. Three terms, for example, 3x plus y plus 8 is the. Otherwise, 2x plus y plus 1. Otherwise, 2x square plus 8x plus 1 is the. These three examples are trinomialism. Trinomial. First one is monomial, binomial, trinomial. Trinomial means there are three terms are here. First term, second term, third term. First, second, third. First, second, third. Therefore, three terms are here. Therefore, these three algebraic expressions are trinomial. Trinomials. The definition of trinomials is therefore algebraic expressions have three terms is called trinomial. Three terms is called. Therefore, trinomial is called. Algebraic expressions have three terms is called trinomial is the. Dear student, listen here once again. Therefore, monomials are 3x or otherwise 7x or otherwise y. The next ones are binomial means 2x plus 1 or otherwise 7x plus 1 and etc. And trinomials are this like all here. Therefore, 3x square plus 1 plus y is the. Otherwise, 2x square plus x plus 8 is the. These two are trinomials are here. And also, we know about that polynomials. These are monomial, binomial, trinomial. These all are also polynomial. These all are also polynomial, and also more than three terms. More than three terms means 3x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are here. This is also polynomial. And also otherwise more than 4 terms, 5th term, 6th term, 7th term, these all are also polynomials. A single one term is also polynomial. Only 2 terms is also polynomials. 3 terms also polynomial. 4 terms also polynomial. The all terms in every terms is all is only polynomials. Okay, basically first only single term polynomial's name is monomial. Only 2 terms of polynomial is binomial. Only 3 terms of polynomial is trinomial. But these are polynomial. But you know that the definition of polynomial. Definition of polynomial. Before study about the definition of polynomial, you can learn about another one example. Therefore, 3x is a polynomial, and also this is the monomial. But this one, 3 root x, this is a polynomial or monomial. This is not a polynomial, or otherwise this is not a monomial. Check out once again. Therefore, first condition. Second one, therefore 3x plus 7. This one is polynomial as well as binomial. In this one, therefore 3 by x plus 7. This is a monomial. Sorry, binomial. No, this is not a binomial. This is not a polynomial. This is not polynomial. This one is polynomial. The next second one, therefore 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is there. This is a polynomial, and also this is a trinomial also. Again comparing to these two, therefore root x plus 1 by x plus 1 is there. 1 by x, 2 is there. 12 by x is there. Therefore, this is polynomial as well as trinomial. But this one is not a polynomial. Again compare. Therefore, sir, this also one term is there. Why this is not monomial? Why this is not polynomial? Again, second one, sir, this is two terms are here. Two terms are called binomial. Again, two terms are here. This is not a polynomial. Why this is not a polynomial? Again, comparing between these two. Therefore, next again, first term, second term, three terms are here. Sir, this algebraic expressions have three terms, but this is not a polynomial. Why? Okay. In your polynomials, the definition of polynomial means, the standard form means the polynomial algebraic expressions have only positive integers, positive whole number, positive integers or otherwise integers. Algebraic expressions have only positive integers. For example, that is degree is power. Degree is positive. For example, 3x is there. This power is only 1 is the. 3x is there. Again 1 is the. 2 is the. 1 is the. But this one is 3 by x is equal to, comparing these two, therefore 3 into x raised to minus 1. This is not a positive integer. This is not a positive integer. And also comparing these two also. Root x is not a positive integer. Therefore, root x 1 by 2 is this is not a positive integer. Therefore, our polynomial means in the algebraic expressions the power is algebraic expressions power or exponent form. A power have only positive integers. Is called integers. Is called polynomials. Therefore, monomials are polynomials because our power is only 1 is the. Binomial also are called polynomial because again power is only positive is the. Again, trinomial are also called polynomials because these two are positive is the. This also positive integers. And also more than 3 terms, 4 terms, the R have only positive integer or otherwise only whole numbers is called polynomial. Therefore, these all are polynomials are here. And also you can study about some concept in your polynomials. Therefore, the next one is degree. Next concept is degree. What is the meaning of degree? Degree means degree you can compare in degree. Therefore, 3x square plus x plus 1 is the. This is one algebraic expressions. In the given algebraic expressions, the variable is only 1 is the. Variable is x is the. Variable is x. Constant term is 1 is the. Next, x coefficient is only 1 is the. X square coefficient is 3 is the. But the degree is this x power is only 1 is the. You can compare between the all degree in a variable. X variable is the. Compare between these two variable degree or power. This power is 1. This power is 2. The meaning of degree means in the algebraic expressions, the which one is most highest power is not degree. Therefore, this algebraic expressions degree is 2 because 2 is more than 1. 2 is more than 1. The next second example, 3x raised to 7 plus 8y plus 1 is the. I am comparing between these two. X raised to 7, y raised to 1 is the. In these algebraic expressions, which one is highest degree? The 7 is highest degree. Therefore, this algebraic expressions degree is 7. Or otherwise, therefore, third one example, 7x raised to 8 plus 6x raised to 5 plus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 is the. This is also one algebraic expression. In this algebraic questions, which one is degree? Degree is 8 is a degree. Sorry, power. 5 is also power. 2 is also power. 1 is also power. In the power, which one is more? 8 is more is there. Therefore, this algebraic expression degree is 8. The meaning of degree means the highest power of exponents is called, or highest power of the algebraic expression is called degree. Got it? Once again check yourself once again. Therefore, in any algebraic expressions have constant term is there, coefficients are here, variable is there, degree also here. Consider this one volume only algebraic expressions. This algebraic expression degree is 8. Degree is equal to 8 is the constant. Which one is constant term in the given algebraic expressions? In this one, constant is only 1 is there. The next, coefficient of x squared. Coefficient of x raised to 8. X raised to 8 coefficient is what? Only 7 is coefficient. 7. The next, coefficient of x raised to 5. X raised to 5 coefficient is 6 is there. The next, coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is equal to 5 is there. And also coefficient of x is equal to x coefficient is 3 is there. But x raised to 8 is there. X raised to 7 is not here. Therefore, coefficient of x raised to 7 is equal to 0 is there. Because in your algebraic expressions, x raised to 7 is not here. Therefore, x raised to 7 coefficient is 0. Again, x raised to 6 coefficient is 0. X raised to 4 coefficient is 0. X raised to 3 coefficient is 0 is there. Got it? You can study about only in the algebraic expressions. The terms are here: monomial term, binomial, trinomial, and also polynomial. Got it? And also you can study about some algebraic expressions. Which one is not a algebraic expression or otherwise polynomial? Which one is polynomial? For example, group of 3x plus 1, x by 2 plus 1, x by 1 divided by x plus 2, next root 3 plus x, root 7, root y plus 1, next x square plus root x, next 3 by x plus 1, next 1 by y plus 8. Okay, compare between these all polynomials. Yes or no? First one is, this is polynomial or not? Yes, this is polynomial, because in the polynomial the variable power is only one, is a positive integer. And second one, this is a polynomial. Yes, this is also polynomial is there, because this variable power is positive integer. Next, this one is polynomial. No, this is not a polynomial, because our variable power is not a positive integer. The next, therefore, this one is not a polynomial, or otherwise polynomials have positive. In the algebraic expressions, the power is positive integer, or otherwise whole number also. Therefore, this one is not a polynomial because 1 by x is the, this simplification is x raised to minus 1 is, this is not a positive. Again, this one is positive integer or polynomial. Yes, this is polynomial, but only constant term is there. Root 3 is constant, 1 is constant. These two are only constant is there. Also constant, also polynomial. That is constant polynomial is there. The next, this example, this also polynomial. No, this is not a polynomial because one term is variable power is 2 is there, but variable power is not a whole number, not a positive integer. Therefore, this is not a polynomial. Next, this one is also not a polynomial. This one is also not a polynomial. Got it? Dear student, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are also polynomials. These are also polynomial, and 0 also one polynomial is there. 0 also polynomial. Numbers are polynomials. Next terms are English alphabets. These are also polynomials. The next, x plus 1, 2y plus 2, etc. And three terms, x plus y plus z, or x plus y plus 1. And also 3x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Listen here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These all are also polynomials. But in the numbers only 0 is there. This is 0 polynomial. This one is 0 polynomial. These all are what? 0 including 1, 2, 3 up to numbers. These are constant polynomials. All English alphabets are single polynomial. That is monomial. Only one term, that is monomial. Next, binomial, trinomial. More than 3 terms are all our polynomials are here. These all are polynomials. Okay, dear students, you learn about in your next class the types of polynomials and also types of degrees and also types of standard factors of polynomials, and also study about your exercise. I shall continue next class.